Hey guys, my name's Dora. Today I'm going to show you how to make solid sugar scrub. To date, I am probably proudest of this recipe. This scrub exfoliates wonderfully and it has lots of foam and lather. The more you rub, the fluffier it becomes. Before long, all of the exfoliants are suspended in a light, puffy cloud on your hands. The baking soda and citric acid act like a buffer, making the bar a bit softer. Without it, scrub bars are very firm and exfoliating. This is fine if it's what you're looking for, but I found them a bit too harsh. I added the wet ingredients in at about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. However, for safety reasons, I suggest adding it at around 120. And if for some reason your mix starts to cool and harden too quickly before everything is mixed together, you can always microwave it for 10-second intervals. Make a separate batch for each color that you want. I was so close to not posting this because I was a bit disappointed in the colors. The scrubs didn't come out how I pictured. They're not unicorn enough, but the recipe itself is just too awesome. By the way, after trying both, I much prefer the cubes. They are the perfect size and amount, making them so much more convenient. With the bar, I had to break a chunk off at a time, leaving the rest sitting on side the tub. Unmold scrub bars just like you would soap. Pull both sides open in the front and then push in the back until the scrub pops out. Wet with warm water, then start scrubbing skin gently. There's a light exfoliation element followed by thick and fluffy suds. Perfect exfoliation that is suspended in light, fluffy, and foamy lather. The sugar scrub washes away easily and it leaves behind no oily residue. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you found it helpful or inspirational, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative bath videos, ideas, and inspiration.